Hello everyone, welcome back once again. So today's recipe, I'll be making Ghanaian kelewele. Kelewele is a spice or spicy fried plantain snacks. You can have these snacks in the day or in the night. Without wasting time, let's get started. So for my ingredients, I'll be using ginger, I'll be using black pepper, clove, dry pepper, grain of celim, and some onions. And then here I have salt and vegetable oil for deep fry. I have also my ripe plantain. So I'll be washing this plantain very well. Wash them very well before cutting, before peeling and cutting to your desired shape or size that you want. And please, when you are using spices, do feel free to use any spice of your choice. So after peeling my plantain, I'll just cut them into small chunks or small pieces. After that, I will just go ahead and grind my spicy. If you have your asanka, you can go ahead and use it. Or if you have dry grinder, you can also use it to do that. So I'm just going to grind it. I'll grind all together, and I will not be adding any water to this spicy. I'll just grind into smooth paste, just like so. And now I'm just going to add my paste to the plantain, and then I will mix all together. Make sure your plantain is all mixed very well with the spicy, and then add salt. After mixing, you add salt to taste. So after adding salt, you go ahead and mix it again, and after let it sit for about 5 minutes before frying. So I'll be frying this on a medium high. You don't want to fry this on a very high heat. If not, the plantain will easily get burnt because of the spice. So you just fry it on a medium high until you get that golden brown color. So as you can see, it's almost done. I'm just going to let it fry a little bit more until I get a perfect golden brown color. So here we are, this is done, and I'm just going to go ahead and remove it from the oil. So I just place my kitchen paper on my baking sieve or a siever, and I'm just going to pour this on that paper to suck out the excess oil, or to drain out the excess oil, any way you may put it. So I'll just go ahead and then fry the last one. And to all my subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you all for subscribing. I really appreciate you guys. I really do appreciate you. Thank you all for subscribing to my channel. So this is the plantain is ready. So I'm just going to go ahead and serve. As I said before, you can have these snacks in the daytime and also in the evening after you have your dinner. You can just use this as snacks or anything. This tastes so well, it tastes so good, it tastes so delicious and so easy to prepare. Give it a try and you'll love it. So thank you all for staying with me. Thank you if you've been with me to the end. Thank you all. And please do not forget to stay safe, and I'll see you all in my next one.